What we're going to talk about here today is how to install LED tape light or strip light with an in-wall dimmer. Now classically this was done using a dimmer mounted inside of a junction box. The AC power was routed to this junction box, and then from here it was wired up to a driver which powered the tape light. Now this is fine, but at Alloy we've got a better way of doing this. Using the Alloy LED SlimDim wireless dimmer, we're able to wirelessly control drivers and tape light. This makes it much easier to install because you get away from having to have a bulky junction box, and you get away from all that in-wall wiring to the dimmer. The way the Alloy LED SlimDim works is by pairing it with a receiver. And to pair it with a receiver, it's very simple. You press the learning button once and then press on. Now this dimmer is paired with this receiver and light. And I can go ahead and I can turn up the light intensity, and I can go ahead and turn down the light intensity all the way down to 1%. I can even program in a specific dimming level. So if I program in this dimming level, even if the light's at a different setting, so for example, if the light is all the way down to around 1%, I can press that recall button and it will always go back to my favorite dimming setting, if that's my movie mode, for example. Once paired, even if the power goes out, the retained dimming setting will return once the power comes back on. As you can see, it's at the same level I set it at. The other great aspect of the SlimDim is that it can come with different faceplates. So there's different faceplate colors to make sure it will match any room. It also is able to pair with an unlimited number of receivers and drivers. That way, you can connect this dimmer to an almost unlimited amount of watts of light. The SlimDim can be mounted anywhere, much like hanging a picture. You can mount it on a wall or over an existing junction box. And if you wish, because the controller is magnetically mounted, you can remove it and use it like a remote control. When done, simply place it back into its mounting bracket. Consider using the Alloy LED SlimDim the next time you're mounting an in-wall LED controller. It'll save you a lot of time and effort. And for this and other innovative products, check out our website, or give us a call and we'll be happy to run through your installation with you anytime.